Hello everyone, let's do the next practical of BEE. So today we are going to perform the practical number 18, that is identify three terminals of a transistor using digital multimeter. Okay, so here we are talking about BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor, because only this transistor we have in syllabus we have only this transistor only. So basically there are many transistors like UJT, BJT, FET, right? Unipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor, bipolar junction transistor. But in our syllabus we have only a BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor, and that is why we will check the terminals of these two transistors, and these two transistors are the types of BJT, right? So if you have gone through the lecture, you have seen that there are two types of transistor. BJT is divided into two types. One is a PNP transistor, that is first P-type terminal, then N-type terminal, first P-type semiconductor, then N-type, and then again P-type. And the other one is NPN, right? That is P-type semiconductor is between two N-type semiconductor. Okay. Both these transistors have three terminals. One is a emitter, one is a base, and one is a collector. But the problem is we don't know which terminal is what. Okay, so for that purpose we can identify the three terminals. Okay, three terminals of transistor using digital multimeter. Okay, now for that purpose what we have to do, first we have to keep this knob to HFE, right? HFE means hybrid forward current gain. Okay, hybrid forward current gain, right? So this is means here when we will keep this knob at HFE, we will get the gain of this transistor. What do you mean by gain? Gain is nothing but output upon input. Okay, so here we are getting output voltage upon input voltage. So what we have to do, you can see here there is written PNP and NPN, right? So we don't know which type of transistor is this. So what we will do, we will randomly insert this terminal into this slots. Okay, so let's start. So first what we will do, we will just insert this terminal, right? See, we are not getting value, right? So it means these three terminals is not appropriate. Now here what we can do, see, there is E, that is emitter, collector, base, and again emitter, right? So when I insert it in here, right, it means last one is emitter, second one is collector, and third one is base. So it means these pins are not these pins, right? That is emitter, base, collector, and base. Now what we will do, we will again insert in different terminals, right? Let's see here. Okay, so again we are not getting any voltage, we are not getting any gain, right? So we will randomly change the terminals. Okay, fine, now we got it, right? You can see this, we are getting some gain here, and here the first terminal is emitter, right? Second one is base, and third one is collector. So what we can do, we just like this, right? We have inserted this point into emitter, right? The first one, second one is, that is middle one is base, and the third one is collector. Again I am showing, first one is emitter, second one is base, and third one is collector. Let's see here what we are doing, we are inserting corresponding terminal into this one, right? So we come to know that this is PNP type, not NPN type. This is PNP type, and we are getting this voltage, this gain, right? Suppose if I am inserting it here, right, in NPN type, see, we are not getting any gain, right? So it means that this is PNP type of transistor. Okay, we will see one more transistor. See, this is the NPN transistor. If I am suppose inserting it here, right, we are not getting any gain, right? See, I am pressing it also, right? So, but when I will insert it towards NPN side, let's see here, we are not getting any voltage, not gain, right? Okay, fine. So we will insert it here. Okay, see here, we are again getting some gain, right? See, 313, right? And that first one is emitter, second one is base, and third one is collector, right? So see here, I am opening it. That is this one is emitter, second one is base, and third one is collector. That is and this is transistors of NPN type, right? So this is how we can differentiate between two transistors, and we can identify the terminals of this transistor by using digital multimeter. Okay, so with this this topic, identify 3 terminals of a transistor using digital multimeter is completed. Okay, thank you.